Hey y'all, let's talk about gaskets. They sit up in the group head of your espresso machine, creating a watertight seal when you are pulling a shot of espresso. Heat, moisture, calcium, and coffee buildup will wear out those rubber gaskets over time, and so it's recommended they be changed once every 3 months or, as often as needed depending on the amount of volume that you're doing. If you start to notice a drip coming from the group head when you are pulling a shot of espresso, it is probably time to change your gaskets. This is a pretty simple task that you can do on your own in just a few simple steps.
What you will need is a screwdriver, an angled metal pick, a gasket brush, or another soft tool to help scrape, a new gasket, and be sure to keep a towel handy nearby. Start by removing the dispersion screen from your machine. Be careful, it could be hot. Use a rag if you need to. Use an angled metal pick to pull the gasket down from the group head, taking care not to scratch the metal parts of the group. If the gasket is calcified or corroded, it will most likely break off into bits and pieces. Use a gasket brush or another soft tool to scrape any remaining gasket parts out of the group head. Pay close attention to the way that the old gasket sat inside the group head and orient the new one accordingly. Using your fingers and a towel for protection, push the new gasket into place as far as possible. If you're having a hard time getting it to fit, you can use a small amount of food-safe gel or lubrication on the top and the sides of the gasket. Lastly, insert the portafilter handle and twist tightly to secure it into place.